how you're feeling right now, especially during the first day kahapon?
We feel that we did well, the prosecution. At napaka-clear ng testimony ng ating witness na talaga naman eksperto sa cybercrime. So, although medyo technical, naintindihan ng lahat. So we're very happy at sana wag naman
Wag nang masyado objection.
Hindi, wag naman siyang tirahin.
Tirahin.
Kasi tinitira na yung witness namin sa social media.
Yeah.
Sana naman wag, he's just doing his duty.
Sir, ano expectations natin sa cross-examination mamaya naman?
Well, we have no expectation. We're prepared to be surprised. But if not, we will continue with the same level of excellence. We are very confident in our evidence, and we are very confident in the testimony of the witness who is just there to tell the truth as a public servant. So, wag naman siyang i-personal at sinisiraan ng mga trolls yung public record niya.
Ma'am, sa pre-trial order, release na kayo doon sa mga witnesses ng article How will you still pursue that?
We reserve the right. We cannot comment yet on the psychiatrist. But,
We can say for sure now that that's planned or you're going to call in
reserve. We have made reservations.
to
We have made reservations on certain witnesses.
like,
Like, if I tell you, I have to kill you.
no, but nasa pre-trial naman
Yeah, no, may general reservation.
could be or could not be. Parang
Could
ganun
be or
yan.
could not be depending on how the sessions will go. But whatever it is, we are backed up by testimonial and documentary evidence. You saw naman the videos yesterday. We are preparing for trial again, and we hope na malinaw, we're trusting na malinaw yung presentation yesterday as a preliminary to all of these videos indicating the intent of the president and her actual contracting of an assassin.
Actual contract.
Yes.
You can show that? You can show that?
Yes,
Na
that
she
was the
con-
testimony. That was the testimony. That was her own words. That I have actually hired
Okay.
a person to kill the president.
So you don't-
I have actually hired.
So yun na yun.
Her own words.
So you don't need, halimbawa, NBI saying na, oh, we found that person na the Vice President contracted.
Let's wait for the testimony because the attorney Matibag is also going to be a witness. Let's wait for what he will say.
Can we read between the lines? It's a
Well,
statement.
I will just say that this was not the end of the investigation. There were further investigations conducted. Let's wait for the results of those investigations.
Si Director Matibag is scheduled for next week na naman.
I think he is a subpoenaed witness. He will be a subpoenaed witness.
Thank you.
Sorry, hindi ko lang po natanong na. Kailan po ninyo i-formalize yung inyong
We sub-
on the VP po, calling the VP
Hostile.
as hostile witness?
There is a schedule to submit the list of witnesses every Tuesday. So we submitted our list of witnesses for next week, yesterday. Next Tuesday, we will submit our list of witnesses for the week after.
As of Tuesday ang cycle natin.
Every Tuesday po ang cycle because Wednesday, to give the court the opportunity to issue the subpoena on a Wednesday. So we are required to reveal our witnesses, subpoenaed witnesses, every Tuesday.
So possible kasama po sa Tuesday yung kay VP as hostile witness?
Well, her head is blooded but unbound. Hopefully she will appear here again because as I mentioned in yesterday's hearing, we intend to subpoena.
So sa Tuesday po, possibly sa
Next Tuesday.
possibly po nila.
We intend to subpoena her as we manifested in court. But whether the court will actually issue is dependent on the discretion of the presiding judge. And as you heard yesterday, he will require a legal memorandum of issue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.